are doing is to go in with the one. Hello my loves, welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. Karibu sana to my kitchen guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to make coconut rice. If you love coconut rice, let me tell you, this video is for you. So grab a seat and let's get started, because you're going to love this. I have my own ingredients that I will be using, which are carrots, coriander kidogo tu, onion, and this one is the magic. And we have this rice. It's a cup and a half of rice. So guys, let's get started and make this delicious meal. And kindly subscribe, watch and share to this video. Yeah, and support me guys. Support me. Yeah, go try this recipe. Acha nikwambie, you will love this recipe. So guys, msijali, sina kitu ya kuosha rice. I'll just use a normal dish. And guys, you can see my coconut. Haka ndo kametoka, imagine. Still okay. So guys, this is our coconut. Is it milk? Is our coconut water? Is it water, milk? I don't know. So this is what we are working with after we've blended everything. Yoi, coconut. And guys, we'll start by we go in with carrots. Try to spicy up your food. Si lazima uweke spices, you know. Karanga mchele. Don't just be a boring person in the kitchen. Yeah. Now let's add our rice. Mchele yetu guys, so you're making sure everything is added in. You see my rice? Just simple ingredients that you have at home. and we'll change everything. So we're measuring the water, and mark you guys, tunatumia maji ya blender yenye tumeblend nayo coconut. Hatutaki kutupa hiyo coconut, so sishangae ni nini hizi coconut. 1 and 2 and 3. Kwa kikombe moja ya rice we do 2 cups of water. How about nusu yake? We do 1 cup. Here you can check your salt. Kama iko sawa, you let it cook. You give it around 10 minutes. So we will wait and then we'll come back. The last thing we are doing is to go in with the coconut. Kidogo. And guys, this is the final result. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Mine was so delicious. Guys, go and try this recipe. I highly recommend it because hii nayo ilikuwa tamu. I had it with a beef and vegetable, and hope you've enjoyed this video, and we see you in the next one. I love you so much. Kindly subscribe, watch and share. Bye till next time.